to try out the new gloves today. Check these out, these are sick. These are freaking cool. Go inside and tighten my bindings real quick before I start riding. I don't want my bindings to come loose again. It's a little chilly out. It's not too bad though. Just hope my bindings don't come loose again. I don't want that happening again.
You got your passes? You guys got your passes?
Always.
Season. Backflips?
Man, I wish. Oh, man. Oh, it's not looking good so far. Oh, the rope is on. Not sure what that's all about. Doesn't look like anything's new. Super soft today. Oh, it feels so good to just like totally nail that. Right behind you, by the way. Oh, I thought you were coming with me. Really was not trying to hit that guy at in the landing. Whoa! Okay, let me actually hit this time. Bro, I keep falling off the edge. Whoa, holy shit, dude. Ah. Whoa! Oh my God! Holy crap! There we go! There we go! Yeah, buddy! There we go!
I tried popping them.
Nice.
Move this way. I'm gonna jump over you. Yeah. No, stop.
Guys, we have to go in the
No, back. I'm gonna jump over you.
You want me to go tell him?
Yeah.
All right, one sec. Let's see. Oh God, the herd children is here.
I know.
He wants to jump over you. Whoa! Ah!
Hop up here.
Did he get the shot?
Yeah, yeah.
He did?
He said it looks good.
Oh, yeah, dude. Yes, yes, yes. That's not how I'm supposed to do it. Oh yeah, dude.
He fucking did it. What?
No, not doing it. I'm gonna die.
Oh, see you now.
Oh. Yes.
Well, bud. Oh, never mind.
Hell no, I'm not gonna do this.
Oh yeah, dude. my God. Yeah, buddy. Woo. That felt good. Ow! Stomped the out of that one, man. Whoa! Yo! Oh, that was so scary. Hey, that was clean, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Oh man.
I was too far behind you. Don't even worry about it.
Yeah, dude. Ah, slippery.
By the hour.
That was my first time hitting that. Let's go. Oh man, that was crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo! No way, bro. Oh, I know exactly what I did wrong on that first one too. I gotta try that shit again. Oh my God. Nope. Maybe some other day. Okay. Let's try and not do that again. Oh my God, that was sick. On that shotgun, my edge went like in between the two rails. I don't know if you can see it on the video. Oh, I don't think this is how I'm supposed to do it. I think I did it wrong. Is it cool if I go with you?
Yeah.
Thank you. How's it going?
It's going good, but I'm getting tired. I'm trying to get out of here.
Yeah, I think that was my last run at Timbo.
Yeah, my last landing there, I know I'm getting tired. I'm getting real sloppy with my landing.
I can tell, dude. You're out of breath, man.
I mean, I'm 28 lap already.
Damn.
Most of them were just on the tow rope, so I'm like, my upperbody's kind of spent. You know, you hold on to that thing for so long, eventually
Yeah.
you get tired.
Yeah, my hands were actually slipping the whole time I've been here on the tow rope. I think it's because they're new. I gotta break them in.
What definitely didn't help was once it starts to freeze into ice on my gloves, then I can't even grab that thing.
No. Oh, those are leather, right?
Yeah.
Are those Wells Lamont? Yeah. I'm not sure how well they go on to Wells Lamont gloves, but for my Kinkos I use Snow Seal.
Okay.
It's a leather wax. I heat up my gloves and I put like 2-3 coats on them, and now they're waterproof. I've been wearing them since like 6 o'clock, and my hands are bone dry, dude.
Nice.
Yeah. I don't know how well Snow Seal works on Wells Lamont gloves, but I'd give it a shot if I were you, bro.
What camera you got?
It's a 360.
I didn't realize it came out sideways like that.
They don't. It's an adapter.
That's a lot better than having the big old unicorn things now.
Yeah, I had it on my helmet the other day, and I had it vertical, like how it's usually mounted, and it's just so front heavy, dude. Like I'll I'll wipe out from a jump or something, and the whole helmet would just like slam forward and practically fall off my head if I weren't wearing this. If I weren't wearing the strap. So I got this thing, the horizontal mount, and it's just so much better. It makes the center of gravity way lower for the camera.
Yeah. I'm still using an old GoPro that we've had floating around. It's like, I think it's a GoPro Hero 5. So thing's old. It's old, but it still works, so I don't care.
Can you change the battery on that one?
Yeah.
That's good. I got a, before I had this, I bought a Hero 7 Silver.
Okay.
Big mistake, man. That thing sucks. Because the Hero 7 Silver and White, you can't change out the battery on them.
Oh,
you have to charge them. So
well, that's useless out here if you're gonna be a while.
Yeah, dude. Like if it dies, it's like, GG's. I guess you gotta go and charge it. Like that's so stupid. I got this thing. It's amazing. Batteries are like $35. I've got 2 of them in my pocket. I'm on my 3rd one today. Been here since about 6. So I mean, yeah, I like it, man. And they got the X4 out now, so this one's gone down in price. So
that is true.
If you're trying to do like Instagram or like social media, I would highly recommend this thing, man.
Most of it just because, like, I got a lot of old family members that think this is really cool, but they don't. Their bodies won't let them do this. So usually I'll just take a photo here and there.
Right.
This year I'm like, I got this old GoPro sitting around. Why haven't I been using this thing? So I strap it on every once in a while, and I'll show them some videos and stuff. And they're like, oh my god, that's so cool.
Nice.
Yeah, I know, right?
I do the exact same thing with my family, dude. Because not a lot of them snowboard or ski.
I'm the only one.
Really?
Yeah. My brother, I take it back. I taught my brother a year ago, but he's been so busy with school he hasn't been able to go out this year.
Yeah, I'm trying to get my sister to do it. I got her like a shitty used board for Christmas, and I think she's got like a total of 6 days riding. That was last Christmas, 2023. I got her that board, and she's only been like 6 times.
When I bought this board, I held on to my old one because my plan was to give it to my brother, assuming that he was going to do this. Which sounds like he will. He's just busy as crap right now.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Where are you going?
Well, I'll probably hit the wall.
Yeah.
Hopefully that's not a bad idea.
Hopefully not. You too, man. Thank you. I actually might go down there too. Hey, is this light blinking red?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, you good.
Are you cool with being on the internet and shit? Okay. I don't know. I might use this footage for Instagram Reels or YouTube. I'm not sure.
Hopefully it'll be good.
Hopefully.
No promises on how well I'll do, like I said.
You're good. Same here, dude. I hardly ever go down the wall. When I do, it's from like the halfway point of this run, so where it's not that steep.
Like I looked at it earlier. I'm sure you saw it coming up, but that top third is just the bumps are huge.
Yeah, I'm not hitting that top part.
It's not really worth it on
I gotta learn how to do that, man. I can't hold it.
I'm trying to show off.
Oh my god.
with you.
Yeah, bro, you too. Hey, do you have an Instagram, by the way? If I no? Oh, I was gonna say, if I post this, I want to tag you.
I appreciate it. I don't have. At least I don't remember my Instagram nowadays.
That's all right.
I haven't used it in like 5 years.
Hey, maybe. What was your name again?
I'm Rob.
Rob? Liam.
Liam, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, man.
I try to tripod for the camera. I can bail on it. It is what it is.
Yeah?
I just figured out how to do those this year, and I've been trying to do them more often. It's just fun.
It is fun.
Yeah, it is.
Have a good night, bro. Holy shit. Oops. Oh man. It's too bad the blue turned out like not blue. You can still see the green though. Man, my pants got dirty. Yeah, wash them. Well, today was a pretty good day. Can't lie. You can see paint on my snow pants from where I fell on that rail. Gosh. Hey, if you guys liked that video, let me know. Let me know how it was. What you guys liked, what you didn't like. If you guys like what you saw, make sure to leave a like. Make sure to subscribe. It really helps me out. Alright. Have a good night, y'all. Later.